So to build a positive work culture, it is very essential that people should communicate with each other, especially with the leaders. Leaders should be approachable so that the people, they have whatever query they have or whatever problem they have in the working environment, it must be discussed and solved. This is how a transparent work culture is created and a positive work culture is created. Toxic work culture is avoided by such a.
The next point is to celebrate the organization's achievement and milestones. So in my case, I want to celebrate after a deficiency. If we cover that deficiency and overcome that deficiency, I want to celebrate that. So we should create a culture of celebrating our achievements and milestones. That will give us some relaxation and appreciations.
My point is conducting weekly and monthly knowledge sharing sessions to remain updated. This point came to my mind when I heard that our bank also took the initiative of learning Wednesday kind of thing, where in every branch, the branch head or the staff shares the information which they know, and this is how all the staff members get to know about a different thing that they might not have known before. So this is a great initiative, and this can also nurture the pride and confidence in the employees of the organization.
So my point would include that encourage the employee involvement. So involving an employee in decision making would lead to a different mindset of the employees, and it comes with the innovative ideas which can nurture the organization to achieve the organization goal. And it will also encourage the cross-functional collaboration within the employees to so that everyone feels a value towards the organization. And it provides the opportunity for employees to contribute their ideas and so which can help the improvement towards the organization to achieve it.
My point is promote social responsibilities. लाइक जैसे मैं रूरल अफेयर में हूँ, वहाँ पे अगर कोई भी बूढ़ा आदमी या औरत अगर हम उसकी हेल्प करते हैं तो वो खुश होके और हमारे को कुछ भी मतलब ऐसे बोल के जाते हैं कि यहाँ पे अच्छा हुआ। जैसे हमारे पास में अदर बैंक्स भी है जो गवर्नमेंट बैंक्स है, वहाँ पे जाते तो उनकी अच्छे से केयर नहीं होती, तो वो यहाँ पे आना हमारे पास आना ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं और उससे क्या है हमारे को भी सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है और खुशी होती है अलग से, जिससे कि हम और ज़्यादा ऐसी चीज़ करने के लिए प्रेरित होते हैं।
Anything you all want to tell about the chart? Yes, I know.
Other people have done
Anything you would just have known after names, yeah, whatever it is something in your mind if you would like to tell.
ये तो जस्टिफाई कर देंगे बाकी जैसे हम चाह रहे हैं एक पॉइंटेबिलिटी एक ऑन पोडियम जर्नी ब्रांच है पोडियम में बोलूँगा लास्ट पोडियम ब्रांच
So these are the 5 roots that together build the happiness tree, which will lead to pride. All the employees feeling happiness and pride in the organization. First one is connecting with customers. Like Sachin said, when we do something good for the customers, when they give blessings to us, we feel really happy, we feel really satisfied. Next is take initiatives. Like Shivani suggested, the learning Wednesday thing. It's really good thing we can all share our information with each other because nobody knows everything. So it's nice when we can all give our tidbits and help others feel more empowered and educated. Next is imbibing the work culture. Like I said, it's important for us, for our vision to align with the organization's vision as well. So when we imbibe the work culture in our day-to-day life, in our day-to-day 8 hours that we spend at the job, when we imbibe the work culture in our work, it would really make us feel satisfied to be a part of the organization. And next is transform with the changes. Evolution is the reality of the world. We all need to evolve in day-to-day life. If we are stagnant, if we are doing the same thing every day, then it's not helpful for either us or the organization. So we should all evolve and we should all transform with whatever the changes are coming. That way we'll also feel good about ourselves. We are changing, we are improving. So together, all these 5 points will bring happiness to us all.